In this video, I will show you how to delete a post on Threads. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is open up the Threads app on your device. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead and create a new thread. So I'm just going to put hey and click the post button to post this thread. You can see that's currently posting. And you can see we got a confirmation to say that's posted. So to actually go ahead and delete a post on Threads, what you're going to want to do is come to the bottom right hand corner and click onto your profile icon. Now what you can do is see all your previous posted threads, and all you want to do is click the three dots next to the thread or the post that you want to delete. From here, go ahead and click the delete option at the very bottom. And you're just going to get a quick confirmation saying delete this post. So all you want to do is press delete, and that's going to go ahead and delete your post. So if you want to delete posts from other people, that's not possible at the moment. However, what you can do is go ahead and hide the post. So you can come to any post on your feed, click the three dots next to the post. So I'm going to go for this one as an example, click the three dots, and what you can do is actually hide the post like this. So you can hide posts, but you can't delete other people's posts. You can only delete posts that are made by yourself. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.